everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Satya Kamla. Hope you guys are doing well. So guys, in today's video, as the title suggests, I'll be doing a haul video from Nykaa. So I recently purchased few products from the Nykaa summer super sale offer. So I have stocked up some of the products that I truly love, and some of the products are new to me. So yeah, if you wanna know what are the products I purchased in this sale, do continue watching. And if you're new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe. Now without any further delay, let's get into the video. So guys, I have kept everything in this cardboard box which we receive generally. So one by one I'm gonna show you. So first I'll be sharing with you is skincare products. The first product I have is from Simple. This is the micellar cleansing water. So in my products empty video I have mentioned you guys, I really like this micellar water. It just removes all the makeup thoroughly, waterproof makeup, normal makeup, anything. And generally if you wear any sunscreen, if you use a heavy duty sunscreen, that one also you just remove. You just need a cotton wipe or this kind of a cleansing sponge. So this is from Earth Rhythm. You just need to spray and you just need to wipe, and they don't have any kind of fragrance. You just feel very quickly clean while using this one. So I just bought this one. This had a really 30% discount I think. So I'll be mentioning the name of the product and link in the description box, so please do check that out. So the next product we have again from Simple. This is a cleansing wipe. So I generally don't use cleansing wipe to remove my makeup, but here and there I need a cleansing wipe. So like while traveling, so it's very essential for me. So I just bought only one. The last time I bought I think a year back. So I don't use regularly, only when I have an emergency case I just use this one. Even my hubby uses this one. When we travel both, we like to carry this with us. So I just backed up for me, and this had 20% discount. This price drop is 200 rupees I think. So but worth the price and worth the product. It's very mild. It doesn't dry out your face. It doesn't make your face very dry. It's very nice. It's really nice product. It's made for sensitive skin also. So whatever skin type you are, you can definitely try this one. And say it removes all your waterproof makeup, normal makeup or anything. You just want to, if you want to feel, you just want to wash your face, you just need to take one wipe and you can clean. I really like this one guys, so I just packed up this one. So that's it for the skincare guys. I just packed up two products in skincare range. Now we'll be moving on to the makeup. So for the makeup I bought the Kiko Milano Flawless Fusion bronzer. So this is what the packaging looks like. Actually I have used this product today on my face. I really like this product guys. I'm gonna do a full first impression so that you can see on live. So this is what the packaging looks like. I wanted to try this product from a long time, but there was not a discount was there. So this product meant a good discount, so I just I bought this product. When I opened this product I felt this is light, feels little bit lighter, but when I apply on my skin it feels really bronzy look. As you can see, just popping very nicely. So the next product I have is from L'Oreal. This is the La Bar A blush in the shade Be Fierce. So this is what the packaging looks like, and this is what the original product looks like. Actually I'm wearing on my cheeks. It's just blended beautifully on my cheeks, and it comes with a little bit brush. I don't use this brush, and it comes with a mirror. The pigmentation is thedbomb.com. I'm gonna just swatch it for you guys. As you can see, by the swatches itself you can see the pigmentation is really nice and blended beautifully in my skin. So I'll be doing a first impressions also guys. I was just filming for the eyeshadow look. So while talking the eyeshadow look, I bought the K Beauty eyeshadow palette in the style or shade Self Love. I really like this palette. So right now I'm using this palette to create this look. The next video I'm gonna upload this review. So I really like this palette guys. This is what the outer packaging, and this is what the inside packaging. So I'll be sharing everything in the next video where I'll be reviewing the K Beauty palette. So do stay tuned for that. I just need to edit, that's all. So next we'll be moving on to the concealer. I have two different concealer. I mean to say the shade ranges. The Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Long Wear Concealer. So when I bought their foundation, I'm really impressed with the foundation. So I thought let me try this one guys. So really nice. I just love the coverage, lightweight, and it's truly blending to the core. And I bought the shade 160 Warm Tan and 145 Warm Beige. Both the the shades match perfectly to my skin tone. I really like this shade concealers, guys. I just couldn't able to wait for the first impression I just used. But anyway, I'll be sharing my first impressions also, but it might be a review video, not a first impressions. But couldn't able to control my hand. This product I have is from Nykaa. This is the all day matte compact powder in the shade Sand. So this is what it looks like. I really like the packaging, and it's very affordable, so when compared to their previous compact powder. So this is what the product looks like, and a very sturdy packaging. It comes with a mirror, and you get a sponge like this, but I won't use this kind of a sponge anymore. I use a powder brush to apply my powder. So but anyway, I really liked Nykaa's products, so I really wanted to try, and it blended beautifully on my face. So next product I have is from Lakme. This is the iconic Insta Cool Kajal. So I didn't open till now. I wanted to do a first impression at least for this product, so I didn't open. Definitely I'll be sharing my first impressions, guys. This is priced at rupees 225, and when the sale was going on, it was 170, I think. So that's why I got this one. So the next product I have is from ELF. This is the liquid glitter eyeshadow in the shade Flirty Birdie. So this is what the packaging looks like. When ELF launched in India itself, I wanted to try this one, but it was had a higher price, means it was a little bit more pricey when compared to the other products, so I didn't get. So luckily it had a 40% discount on this product, so I thought let me try. So this is what it looks like. So it's basically a glitter eyeshadow. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. So yeah, wow, really nice. Actually I'm swatching this for the first time. I wanted to try on my eyelids, but actually I just used the eyeshadows to create a look. Wow, it's really nice. No, I'm just can't wait to try. Definitely I'm gonna try in my next video. Please stay tuned for that. So the next liquid eyeshadow I really wanted to try from Swiss Beauty, so I bought that one also. So this was really inexpensive when compared to the ELF one, so we don't know which one going to perform the best on my eyelids. So this is a shade called Smoky Storm, so I'm gonna swatch it this also. So this is a little bit darker than the previous one, means the ELF one. Wow, but compared to the ELF one, I feel this is the has a more pigment and a more shimmery particles and a fine shimmery glitters. This has little bit larger when compared to the Swiss Beauty one. So if anyone performs the grade, I'm gonna restock. I mean, I'm gonna try the other shades. So yeah, I'm be waiting for that. So next product I received as a free gift. This is the Milani's lip crayon. I don't know the shade name exactly. I'm gonna mention in the description box. So this is what it looks like. So yeah, a nice shade I have received. I'm gonna swatch it. Wow, nice brick tone shade. So this might be a nice shade for my skin tone. Yeah, it feels really nice, no? So this time they have given a worthy as a free gift, worth product as a free gift. So yeah, I'll be doing everything as a first impression in my next video, guys. So the last and final product from this haul is a nail polish. So I bought the K Beauty's nail polish in the shade Crimson Hue 35. So I really wanted to try the K Beauty nail polish. The only thing I missed from K Beauty is this one, so I really wanted to try, and finally it's in my hand. So in my next video I'll just apply and show you how I felt. So yeah, so that's it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoy watching my mini haul from Nykaa. So these products had a really great discount on their website, so I'll be mentioning all the products name, links, everything in the description box, so please do check that out. And I'm gonna review and I'll do a first impressions of these products in the next video, and most probably the next video will be the K Beauty eyeshadow review. So right now what I'm wearing, so stay tuned for that. So until then, it's bye from Satya, guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye, take care, stay safe.